Hello students, once again welcome to my channel Learn English and Win the World. Students, hope you must have enjoyed a colorful Holi with your family members and with your loved ones. Students, in my last class I had talked to you about the 4 types of nouns. Today my class is again a continuation of the chapter nouns. In my last class, I had talked to you about the 4 types of nouns, the proper noun, common noun, abstract noun. Today, let us start our class again with the abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the names given to a quality or a feeling or a state. State means a condition. For examples, if we talk about state, we can give the example of boyhood, manhood, motherhood, womanhood, etc. If we talk about feelings, it may be hatred, jealousy, or hatred, jealousy, or insanity, and etc. Then again, if we talk about qualities, it may be courageous, it may be confidence, and so on. So today in this class, we will come to know more about the abstract nouns and the way by which we frame again a set of words which may improve your vocabulary. That is, we will come to know more about the abstract nouns. How do we frame abstract nouns? We frame a new set of words or the abstract nouns, that is the abstract nouns, by adding certain suffixes either to the nouns or to the adjectives or to sometimes the verbs also. The different suffixes are hood, dumb, ity, th, ry, ness, meant. Now let us see, for example, we may frame certain words by adding hood. Women, it is a noun and it becomes an abstract noun. When hood is added to it, it becomes womanhood. Similarly, man, manhood. Child, childhood. This first set of words is by adding hood. The second set of words is by adding dumb. When dumb is added to free, it becomes freedom. When added to king, it becomes kingdom. When added to wise, it becomes wisdom. Again we come to th. Th when added to grow, it becomes grow. Then we have health. Then we have wealth. These are all abstract nouns. Again, when we add the suffix ity, when ity is added, we add ity to equal, we get a new word, equality. When ity is added to pure, we get a new word, purity. Again, ry. When ry is added, we get a set of new abstract nouns. That is, when ry is added to slave, we get a new word, slavery. When ry is added to brave, we get a new word, bravery. Again, we have the ness suffix. When added to bright, it becomes brightness. When added to dark, it becomes darkness. When added to selfish, it becomes selfishness. So then the next suffix we have is meant. When added to agree, it becomes agreement. When added to treat, it becomes treatment. When added to punish, it becomes punishment. So in grammar, we have we come to know a new set of words by knowing the different abstract nouns. And how do we know the abstract nouns? We come to know the abstract nouns by adding these suffixes to at times the nouns or to the adjectives or to the verb. When we say a girl is beautiful, for example, why is she called beautiful? She is called beautiful because she has the abstract quality, that is beauty. When we say a so and so person is wise, why he is said to be wise? He is said to be wise because he has the quality of wisdom. So these students, today we came to know more and more about the nouns. That is how we can frame a new set of words in language by adding certain suffixes to the nouns and thereby getting the abstract nouns. The other noun, that is the collective noun. We have to know certain points about collective noun. Collective noun is always talked as a singular. When we talk about an army, the army was marching forward. Although there are hundreds of soldiers in the army, but the army is talked about as a single entity and it is used in a singular way. A set of rooms is called a suite. A collection of soldiers is called an army. A collection of books is called a library. Then again we have a collection of sheep is called a flock. Then if we have a collection of ships or cars, we call it a fleet of cars or a fleet of ships. But always students remember, collective noun is used as a singular entity. It always goes with a singular verb, either is or was. Then again we have the other type of nouns, which are the countable and the uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the names of those things which can be counted. For example, the names like chairs, apple, table, eggs, potatoes or trees. These are all countable nouns which can be counted. Uncountable nouns are the names of those substances and almost all the abstract nouns, names of all the abstract nouns which cannot be and most of the time cannot be counted. So all the uncountable nouns take in themselves the names of the substances like electricity, like water, like petrol. These things cannot be counted. They are quantitative and hence they come under the category of uncountable nouns. So these are all about, this is all about the nouns, different types of nouns what we came to know. The first is the proper noun, the second is the common noun, the third is the collective noun, the fourth is the abstract noun. And students, you came to know how by adding these suffixes we can make a different set of words, that is the abstract nouns. In my next video you will find a full chart of abstract nouns and the suffixes added to the words and hence by made the abstract nouns. Then we have the countable nouns and the uncountable nouns. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and hope you very well understood the full chapter on nouns. This is all about nouns. In our next class, we will deal more about the nouns, that is the noun number and the noun gender, because nouns always are singular or plural. Nouns always have the different genders, that is masculine, feminine, neuter or common gender. This we will discuss in our next class. Till then,